Hey everyone, comb the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band, have another rubber band, top middle part, curl up in the middle one, drop the tail into it, and have the left section go into the right, and have it split them into 3 parts and braid it in a thicker manner, and fold the braid to half and move to the left side's top part. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it. Have a section of the hair from the side and split them into 2 parts and have it braided. Do the same braiding on the right side and then combine all the hair together with a common ponytail and have a rubber in the middle part and make it as a bun. Move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping your colorful hairpin. Hold your hair from behind and make a lovely ponytail and split them into 2 sections and have a top section into a lovely braid and roll the braid to the top and have it as a bun and secure its place by dropping a little hairpin. Then with the remaining section of the ponytail, have a rubber in the middle part, stretch the middle one making as a bun and stuff the tail into it. Go for a lovely ponytail and pinch out the hair on the top section a little bit for the pinched out part. Then with the remaining section of the ponytail, split them into 3 parts and have the left and right one into a tail and have a rubber attach the middle part. Then with the middle section we said before, split them into 3 parts and have it braided. Then combine all the 3 tails together with a common rubber band, stuff the tail into the middle one making as a bun and move the bun entirely to the top and have it in place by dropping your favorite hairpin out of your collection. Have it split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you do the braiding, have the braids and secure with the rubber band and roll it, coil it to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Then with the remaining section of the hair, grab the hair from the sides right below the braid and have it tied with the rubber band and drop it inside. Then have a rubber band top middle part and curl up in the middle one, drop the tail into it twice and have it in place by dropping your favorite hairpin out of your collection. Grab the top section of the hair, split them into 4 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Then after that, secure the end with the rubber band. Then grab the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and also drop it inside for getting a twisted pan. Comb your hair on the left section and have it tied with the rubber band. Create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it. Do the same as you did before for the left side on the right. Then combine both the tails together with another rubber band. Then grab even more sides of your hair right below the first one and do the same as we did before and have it tied with another rubber band over the first one and drop it into its parents loop. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and pinch out the hair a little bit. Then grab the sides of your hair right below it and have it tied with the rubber band and pinch out the hair on that one as well, right below that, and have it crisscross each other and have it tied behind the tail. Grab the top section of the hair and make a ponytail out of it, then split them into 2 parts and have it braided with each other, bottom and have the ends secure with the rubber band. Then after that, remove the first rubber band we had by cutting it off, then leave the remaining braid as such, then decorate with your lovely hairpin on the second rubber band. Thank you everyone.